Let me check the bag. Why Lily's wallet in your bag? Alex, do you want to explain this?
That's not mine. I didn't take it. Alec, it was in your bag?
With this, the spot will be mine.
He stole Lily's wallet. He is a thief. I saw you at the park yesterday. Yeah, I was practicing.
Good morning, class. Our school will send one student from this class to the inter-school summer camp.
No way! Ugh, that means this is a big deal.
I will choose based on responsibility, honesty, teamwork, and trust. This is not just a trip, it is a leadership and learning program. Students from different schools will be there. Only one student from this class will go.
Of course. Teachers always choose the safe one. Do not look so happy yet, Alex. That place is not yours.
You won't believe what happened in class. Tell me.
She should choose someone who can really represent the class. You mean you. Why not?
Alex, you really have a good chance. Yeah, Miss Carter trusts you, and everyone can see it. Maybe, but she still hasn't chosen yet.
So that's how it is. They already see him as the one.
I just don't want everyone talking like it's already decided. You're responsible. That matters more than just being smart.
Enjoy it while you can, Alex.
Can you help me carry these, Alex? Yes, teacher.
Alex just helps for 1 minute, and suddenly he is the favorite again.
Checking again. I have lunch money in here. And my permission slip. You check that wallet all the time. Because if I lose it, I am dead.
And that's when I realized the pop quiz was today.
Perfect.
No one looking. Just 1 minute.
After this, no one will trust you anymore, Alex.
All right, everyone, turn to page 47 in your math workbooks.
Where? My wallet. It's gone. What? What? My wallet is gone.
Everyone stay calm. Check the floor first. No one panic. All right, no one leaves the room.
It has my money and my paper.
We'll find it. I'm checking bags. Please stay seated.
Alex, I need to check your bag. Huh. Alex, that's not mine. I didn't take it. He stole Lily's wallet. He is a thief.
This is bigger than a missing wallet. Miss Carter said, trust matters most for the camp.
I don't know how it got there. Alex, please tell me you didn't do this.
I didn't, Lily. I swear. Wow, Alex. I guess the most trusted student in class is not so perfect after all. That camp spot might be harder to get now.
Was it in the front pocket, Miss Carter?
Yes.
Wait. Something is wrong. How did you know that? I need the truth. Finding it in a bag is not enough.
Was it in the front pocket, Miss Carter? Ryan disappeared during recess.
If you went back, the camera would see you.
What happened, Alex? I thought teachers always trusted you. Doesn't feel so good when people start doubting you, does it?
I was thinking about yesterday. If someone went back into the classroom during recess, the camera saw it.
Maybe. You really want that camera.
Miss Carter, I want to say something.
Yes, Alex?
I know the wallet was in my bag, but I didn't take it. Please check the hallway camera.
We are going to check the hallway camera now. I want the truth from all of you. Why were you there alone?
I forgot something.
You knew the wallet was in the front pocket. Miss Carter never told anyone that.
Yeah.
And you were the only one who went back into the classroom.
Ryan, look at me. Did you take Lily's wallet and put it in Alex's bag? Ryan, was it you? Did you put my wallet in Alex's bag?
Yes. I knew you were going to choose him.
So you tried to destroy his chance. Ryan, that was cruel. Your parents are coming in tomorrow. We need to deal with this properly. What happened yesterday matters. Someone used trust to hurt another student.
I'm sorry. I should have believed you. You were scared.
The student I choose for the inter-school summer camp must be responsible, honest, observant, and brave under pressure. That student is Alex.
You didn't just tell the truth. You stayed with it.